Alright, fellas. Yes, I was up in the city today. Yes, I did have enough time to stop by HJE. So, picked me up a couple of things. So this is just kind of like a little mini tool haul thing. Because I have some other videos with these that you'll see. I gotta do more videos on them. First off, this here kick-ass little 3/8 Wright tool company ratchet. It's in a 1/4 inch body, as you may tell. I'm not sure exactly the tooth count on it. Seems to be about a 44 tooth. I'll leave a link in the description to this ratchet. I want to say it was like 55 bucks or something like that. But the head on this thing, super small. And not only that, it's going to get you in places with, 17, 19 millimeter socket. So yeah, gonna be handy. Not only that, feels great. So got that. Got the new DT ratchet kit. The old double tooth, turn the SK 1/2 inch from a hell, I don't know, 60 tooth to 120, or something on 40 to 80, whatever they are. We're gonna be doing that. Comes with everything you need here. Of course, there's instructions, but if you don't know how to take apart a ratchet and swap that head in, I can't really do a whole lot of helping to you until I make this video. So, but yeah, it's not hard. I also got a sweet ass SK shirt. There's the old SK Professional Tools over here on the sleeve. It's got the old HJE emblem. And this shirt, by the way, very well made, but it's an older shirt. As you can see, this is their Harry Epstein SK Day for the Garage Journal guys. So yeah, no, this shirt is awesome. It says 2015. I don't care. I'm gonna wear this the rest of my life, or until for some odd reason it deteriorates. But yeah, got that shirt. Also picked up their new shirt, the old HJE on the front, and then this is such the greatest saying in the world there. It's exactly HJE. If you've ever been there, you know. If you've ever watched any of my walkthrough videos on their stores, you know. Like a kid in a candy store, that's exactly what it is. Except for, it's grown-ass men. So yeah, that's I saw this shirt, I just had to get it. It's yellow, it's not really my color, but at the same time, I'll make it work. I mean, come on now. Short little tool haul here. Of course, I got another sticker. Yeah, took my kid in there with me this time. She was amazed by all the tools they had in there. She understands now why I go up there and I spend a half a day every time I go in there. Now today, I didn't have that much time. I got in there almost right as they were closing, but I knew what I wanted to get, so it didn't take very much time whatsoever to get in there and get it. Yeah, so that's it. A couple of nice, real nice shirts. Love that SK logo there. And yeah, that'll be the thumbnail, I'm guessing, right there. But as always, like, comment, share, subscribe, love, hate, hardknocksforge@gmail.com. Don't send me any panties, because they never fit.